Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brands. Today's video is all about my Ipsy Glam bag for March. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you have not yet. There's also a join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member. Thank you to my channel members. If you're unfamiliar with our Ipsy Glam bag, this is the OG Ipsy Glam bag that I've gotten since like 2014 or 2015. Very long time. I love Ipsy, can you tell? This is a $13 monthly beauty subscription bag where you'll receive a makeup cosmetics bag and then 5 travel try-me-size items, and occasionally we get lucky and get a full-size item. This is my paid-for Ipsy. I do also receive Ipsy PR packages at the beginning of the month. When we do that video, it is a very quick speed round. This is a, hey, this is a spoiler alert. This is what you may get in your bag. Then at the end of the month, when I get my paid-for bag, we take all of our PR goodies that I decided to keep from the boxes, and we open this bag and we try to put together a look. We do a try on and we play with all of our products. So we are going to dive in. Ooh, already on top I see a brush. I love getting brushes, and to be honest, if I didn't get brushes in subscription boxes, I probably wouldn't have any brushes. So it is the same bag, except this one is like a peachy corally color, and the other one that I got was blue. I love this bag so much, like I would actually use this one. But right on top I have a Firma brush. This is a shader type brush. It is an angled brush. First up, is another Ciate product. This is the Ciate Bamboo Bronzer. I do not know the shade. In Palm Island. I really like Ciate products. Oh, that's very, very pretty. Kind of light. It probably will work for me right now, but as I head into summertime, it most definitely will not. But now we have a highlighter and a bronzer. We have our mascara. We have our Kinship lip jelly. And we have our Danessa Myricks oil that we can put on before makeup application. Next is a Fab Beauty Hydrating Eye Cream. That is amazing. I'm using eye products currently, so I'm not going to open this just yet, but I really love First Aid Beauty. Next is a Polar hand cream, the Genuine Lapland Cream. That sounds cool. Okay, we'll use some of that as well. And then last, but certainly not least, darlings, we have a lipstick. Awesome. This is the Element Beauty Matte. This is a matte lipstick in a beautiful brownie, like peachy nude shade. I will test this out for sure. The other one that I got in my PR package was red, so I passed on that. I put that in my pay it forward pile. I love my bag. I think it was a phenomenal bag. Definitely a little bit more makeup heavy, which I know a lot of you guys really love. So we got our little eye cream. We got our lipstick. We got our bronzer. We got a hand cream, and we got a brush. I think I got my $13 worth. What did you guys think? All right, I guess let's start with the hand cream. Let's just test how it smells first. Incredibly thick. I can't tell what I'm smelling. What is that? It's almost slightly florally meets earthy. Very, very dense and soaked right in. I'm gonna keep that on my nightstand. If you got this, let us know what you thought. All right, now I have 0 products on my face. My brows are not done. Excuse my brows, y'all. Look, I warned y'all a couple months ago. These brows and this hair is gonna look like trash for a few months. So this was the Danessa Myricks Beauty Oil Hydrating Facial Oil. I'm very excited about this. I have incredibly dry skin. I've also never tried anything from Danessa Myricks. Not that this is a, you know, a cosmetics product, but I'm still intrigued. I'm gonna put a little bit. It is quite like a liquidy oil. As you can see, it was kind of like flowing down my hand. I don't feel like I'm smelling anything because I think I'm smelling the lotion, so maybe I should have done this first. I do like that it's a very light oil. Let me try to put some more on my hand again. And put some on my hand again. Yeah, quite thin. Almost more like serum-y in the consistency of it. Maybe the oil does have a scent to it. I'm not quite sure, you guys. I'm really sorry. I should have definitely done this product first. And honestly, it's sinking right in. I don't feel like it's sitting on top of the skin. Ooh, very pretty. As you can see, I have like some hydration and some glow, but I do not at all look oily, and I can still snap. Oh, I like that. Okay, I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that. While I'm doing the rest of the makeup, let's go ahead and test this out. I've been testing this because I got a full size previously, and in this month I got a mini, but I put that in my pay it forward pile for you guys. This is the Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. Incredibly thick, incredibly rich, which I really, really love. So we will hydrate our lips while we do the rest of our makeup, and then we'll test this out as well. And just to kind of recap, I also got the Sophia and Maybelle Small and Mighty Extreme Volume Mascara. And I had also gotten the Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow from Ciate as well. Let's put on some foundation. I'm just going to use what's right in front of me. This is my Fenty Beauty Ease Drops or Easy Drops. Different people say it different ways. I'm not 100% sure. In shade 8. Went in with my Juvia's Place Brow Pencil Dark Brown and my NYX Thick-It Stick-It Brow Gel as well. So far, I really, really love how the foundation went on top of the oil, and the lip treatment feels amazing, which I already do that. I really love this. So next, we're going to try the Ciate London Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow in the shade Dewdrop. And my preferred method of using these is literally to take a little drop. Oh, that's darker than I thought it was going to be. This might not work, or it'll have to be a blush. We'll find out. Anyways, I like to tap these products out first, and I will gently go in with my finger and kind of pounce the product, not pulling, not tugging, not dragging, as to not disturb the makeup underneath, or I will go in with a beauty sponge and press it into place. I'm going to attempt to kind of use this more as a blush because I think it's going to be too deep to use as a highlight. And actually on the skin, it's not dark at all. And it's more like a gloss, not like a cream highlight, if that makes any sense. I don't like these. I don't like the texture. I don't like anything, even though I do like dewy, luminous, glowy. I like a cream, not something that has like an oily consistency to it. So that just looks like grease on my cheek. It gave me no color. It gave me no nothing. I don't like this particular type of product. Maybe you do. I think because obviously I didn't put this to my actual skin, I'll go ahead and throw this in my pay it forward pile. I don't like it. I don't like how it looks. I don't like how it feels on my skin. If you have long hair as well, it's going to stick and like cling to your, no, it's a no from me. On the other cheek, I'm going to try out the Ciate London bronzer. Again, this is powder bronzer in the shade Palm Island. So let's go in. Not a lot of kickback at all. I really like the little star indentations in here as well. That's so cute. Oh, okay. This I like. That is very pretty. It is blending out quite well. It's not kind of like sticking in one place. Okay, this I will use 100%. That I really like. Next, we're going to test out the mascara, Sophia and Maybelle Small and Mighty Extreme Volume Mascara. I do like the simplicity of this. It's just, you know, small and mighty, like it says. It's very compact, very just kind of basic packaging. I do not like these types of wands typically because they stab the crap out of my eyes. And these, even though it says volume, I feel like with these, kind of like with the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, which I do love that mascara, I find that I get length from these, and that's not always my preference. I want it all, I guess. So, we'll go in and test this out. Yep, see, I already poked myself. Like the new MAC mascara that everybody's going crazy over. I tested that out in my Lowest Cosmetics video. Not a fan. I feel like if you already have decent lashes, I feel like these mascaras are good for that, to kind of just elevate your length, you know, in your lashes. But I want curl and volume and like the whole everything. Huh. Okay, so there's our before and our after. Yeah, I mean, I like that. I definitely, you know, I want more, so I would typically layer this type of a mascara and then I like it for bottom lashes. Okay, so that is the Sophia and Maybelle Small and Mighty. I am actually going to put it next to the MAC, and I'm going to test this one out again with you guys. I know this is not part of Ipsy. If you want to go ahead and fast forward about a minute and a half to the lipstick, you can do that as well. But this is the new MAC Stack Mascara. I just got a little mini, and this is the bigger of the wands, and Kate did send this to me when she sent me my Lois Cosmetics palette. Again, these are just, they're not always my favorite, and if I do use one like this, it's typically more like the Maybelline Sky High, where it's a thinner wand, and I really love that that one is, you know, flexible. And this one, I definitely was poking the crap out of my eyes when I tested it out. But we shall see. I just feel like it does not lift my lashes up the way that I like my lashes to be lifted up. I like, you know, kind of length and curl, and I don't feel like it gives it to me. I am actually seeing, now that I'm comparing this, again, I don't like this mascara. Comparing it to this mascara here, I definitely do feel like I'm getting a little bit more lift with this, as you can see in the center of the lash. But it is also clumping, and it is also all over my lid. I think, honestly, if I let this one dry out, I'll dry out some, which is the case for a lot of mascaras that I test. I feel like if it dried out a little bit, I probably would really like it. But it's already drying, so it's really hard to build up, and it is kind of going everywhere. But I will say I do like it much better this time, so perhaps it dried out in this week. So definitely now, compared to the Ciate, I do see a vast difference. Again, it is clumping a little bit, and it is kind of going everywhere. But, okay, I actually like this now. Do I love it? No. Would I repurchase? No. So that is the comparison between those two. And then last but not least, let me wipe off my little lip jelly here. We are going to test out the Element Beauty Matte. This is the shade Madrid. And what I'm looking for in a liquid lipstick, a matte liquid lipstick, is blendability. Do I have a few seconds to kind of manipulate it and really put it into place? Or am I placing it down and then it's drying and then I'm trying to apply over top and it's patching up? I like one that has that tiny little bit of like a slip to it, kind of like that velvet or woolly type of feel to it, and then it sets down. Those are my favorites. The color, I think I'm gonna absolutely love. Okay, I actually like that MAC mascara, and I'm gonna go back and I'm going to comment on my friend's video and tell her that I like it now. Ooh, I really like the doe foot applicator on here. That shade is beautiful. Slightly fruity, almost sweet tarty. They kind of remind me of Laura Lee Los Angeles liquid lipsticks. Oh, I love the color. And it does have that nice kind of velvety, soft, oily slip to it. That's nice. I love this. I might have to make y'all sad and take the red one out of my pay it forward pile. Let me give this a second to dry. I'm going to wipe this section off, reapply, and then do some bronzer on this side. And I'll be RB. All right, beauties. I think overall we had a win. I'll quickly run down everything, do a quick little speed review. The Danessa Myricks Beauty Oil, I really love it. I can still see some beautiful luminosity through my skin, but it dried down very quickly, and it is a very light serum-like oil, so oh, I love it. I love this. The Ciate London Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek. No, the glossy should have just deterred me. I should have just assumed that glossy would mean sticky. If you like that, then I think you'll like this product. I personally didn't like it. I don't feel like I got enough of a kind of payoff from it, and I just felt sticky and greasy. So not my favorite, would not recommend, would not use. The Element lipstick, holy freaking crap. Like this color, especially going into spring and summer, beautiful. I'm going to look into seeing how much these are because you guys, this feels so comfortable. like incredibly comfortable. It dries down, but it's not over drying or anything like that. Of course, I cannot attest to long wearability, but the comfort of it, the way that it applied and stuff like that, it's beautiful. Highly, highly recommend. If you did get these in your bag and you tested them out, comment down below. The Sophia and Maybell Small and Mighty Mascara, it's okay. And honestly, being able to compare it to the MAC in my opinion now, that is definitely better than this one is. This is something that I will use first, and then I will go in with a volumizing mascara on top. This is not an extreme volume mascara. If you already have decent lashes, or lashes that already kind of curl out and don't fall down, I think you'll like it for length. So if you got it, use it. Would I go buy it? No. The Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. I already knew I loved this because I've been using it with the full size. So if you did get this, also comment down below. I really love this. It's nice and thick. It's quite emollient and it stays on the lips. It has a little bit of grip to it, but it's not sticky or heavy. Really, really love. Highly recommend. The Polar, the Hand Cream Genuine Lapland Cream. Oh, it says with Arctic berries. That would be what I was smelling. Fantastic. Quite thick, quite rich. I really, really love this. So also if you got this, I think you'd really enjoy it. And then the Ciate London Bronzer in the shade Palm Island. Fantastic. Quite beautiful. Blends out well. Pigmented, but not so harshly pigmented that it looks muddy or kind of sticks in one place. So Ipsy, I think we had a win this month, and I really loved the bags too in celebration of Women's History Month. So what did you guys think? Comment down below. Let's have a conversation. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties.